Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. So I am going to talk about another Ethereum monster comes in. Let's dive in. Genius Act, it's passed, and this is helping Ethereum have its moment. Bernstein analyst says. Analysts at Bernstein said in a note shared with the blog that ETH will continue seeing strong investment interest. They also expect the influence of BlackRock and other asset managers to drive Ethereum allocation in institutional portfolios, while banks and fintechs buy operational Ethereum to pay for transaction fees on Ethereum. For sure, dollar stablecoins and real world assets will be tokenized and sent to Ethereum, Solana, XRP Ledger, etc. They need Ethereum for so many transactional and might be just, multiple reasons. That's what they need. Ethereum is on fire right now. For your information, Ethereum strategy, the companies who have chosen the Ethereum as their corporate strategies are BitMine Immersion, pivoted Bitcoin from Bitcoin to Ethereum, and it's backed by Founders Fund Peter Thiel. Sharplane Gaming, you might heard of it, Bit Digital, Game Square Holdings. These are the convergence. And the thing is, there comes another monster, Ethereum company. Its name is Ether Machine. Quite impressive, right? Blank check company nears cryptocurrency deal. Ether Machine plans to hold over $1.5 billion of the second largest cryptocurrency. The person in the picture, his name is Andrew Keys. He is a co-founder of Ether Machine, and now he will serve as chairman. For your information, he had been an executive of Consensus, founded by Joseph Lubin. They were co-working together in the past. And this company is going to be listed on Nasdaq as well. OG investors include blockchain.com, Kraken, and Pantera Capital. Those crypto-friendly companies, the lobbyists of the Trump administration, they contribute $800 million through an upsized common stock offering for Ethereum Machine. Let's read the article just a bit. Blank check company Dynamics is preparing to merge with another entity to create a new company known as the Ether Machine. According to the people familiar with the matter, the combined company plans to hold over $1.5 billion in Ether. It is a bet that investors will continue to reward businesses that pour money into crypto holdings under the industry-friendly Trump administration. Well, I've been saying this for the last 7+ months. It is a great opportunity to add some more quality altcoins, including Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Hedera, Algorand, Near Protocol, Doge, Shiba Inu, etc. All of a sudden, everything changed after that crypto week, Do you think it's a coincidence? However, I didn't know when everything changes. I didn't have a clue yet. My question here is there a bigger picture we didn't notice yet? What is going to happen next? Ever since Larry Fink applied for the Ethereum ETF and it was approved in July 2024, I just knew it was all going to happen. I didn't know when though. Well, what's going to happen next then? Here's the thing. It was Bitcoin first strategy with MicroStrategy, with Metaplanet, with Blockchain Group, etc. You know this narrative. It's been a very predominant in the last couple of years. Now it's Ethereum's turn. Ethereum's time just has begun. And Ethereum needs to go much higher from here. Good news is BlackRock, last week applied for Ethereum staking ETF. When BlackRock applies, it's a free pass, as you know. Crypto Friendly Acts passed, all three of them, and Clarity Acts, it's on US Senate right now. They just started pumping Ethereum, and the next move could be Ethereum to break its previous all-time high. Surprisingly, Ethereum is still below its previous all-time high, which is around $4,900. And this, I think, break its previous all-time high shortly, might reach 8K or 10K. Who knows exactly? Price prediction, especially with timeline, I think that's a total garbage. It's just meaningless. Nobody can predict the future. There must be some pumps and dumps and pumps and dumps, but in the long time horizon, Ether will just fly away for the next 5+ years. It's a wonderful asset. Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're all different, but it's another wonderful asset. What matters is not our predictions, our feelings, is something it's going to happen. No, not these type of things. What matters is major indicators such as Bitcoin dominance. As you know, for old season to come, Bitcoin dominance must fall just sharply, just like in 2021 and 2017. I drew these two parallel channels, and Bitcoin dominance has risen up significantly since late 2022. And in the December last year, this dominance just fell below this trend line, and now Bitcoin dominance reached 66%, but now it's around 60 to 61%. It's a huge drop in the short term, right? So more drop from here equals the alt season might arrive. So in short, Bitcoin dominance needs to go below 60 for altcoins to perform better than Bitcoin. So let's see how it happens, how it goes. Crypto apps ranking on the App Store in the United States. You can just find these out: Binance US, Kraken, Crypto.com, Robinhood, Coinbase, and Cash App. Major US crypto exchanges rank in the United States. At a glance, Coinbase app rank, I think this is somewhat credible indicator among all this. It was 62nd just 2-3 days ago, and now it just came out of 100s once again. So I'd say it's not yet to sell our precious crypto assets. Crypto, the whole industry, the narrative is Ethereum right now. Crypto depends on ETH now. And global elites know this very well. That's why they are pumping this harder and harder. For other companies, other corporations, other retails, and other pension funds, asset managers to join this rally. And then boom, it will collapse a bit and it will pump again, things like that. It will just go much higher a year later. At least Ethereum should break its previous all-time high, $4,900, and then true former kicks in. Most crypto will pump like in December 2024, I suppose. How long, how much, I have zero idea. I'd say not yet though. Let's check out the crypto, major indicators, including CoinMarketCap, Alt Season Index, RSI, trading volume, and crypto market, those Coinbase app rank bots, RSI and ISM indicator, ETH price, and multiple other MVRVZ, such indicators. Let's see. Let's wait and see how it works. As for now, it's not yet to sell our precious assets. What do you think? Thank you for listening.